Hi guys, welcome to the kitchen culture. Today we are making Methi Matar Malai. To a pan add 1 tablespoon ghee and the fenugreek leaves. Saute until the fenugreek leaves wilt and reduce to half the quantity. Take it out in a bowl. Heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf, an inch of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon green chili and ginger paste, add 1/4 cup tomato puree and let it cook. Next add 1/4 cup cashew paste and mix it well. Add 1/4 tablespoon turmeric, half tablespoon coriander powder. Mix and cook the mixture till it comes together like so. Add 1/4 cup cream and give it a mix. At this point our base gravy is ready. Season the gravy with some salt to taste, and to adjust the consistency we'll add half cup of water. I'm adding half tablespoon of sugar to adjust the bitterness of the fenugreek. This is optional. Add the sautéed fenugreek leaves and 3/4 cup of boiled green peas. There you go, a delicious no onion, no garlic Methi Matar Malai recipe is ready. Garnish it with a tablespoon of homemade white butter and relish.